Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we will break down for you how you can add a shadow to your images and photos on Photopea. So let us get started. Head over to your project on Photopea. So let me add, for example, an image like that here. And let's say, for example, you'd like to add a shadow here on the left side and at the top. So it is actually very simple. What you want to do, guys, is pay attention to that list of layers here on the right hand side and select your image layer by double clicking on that thumbnail here. And after that, you'll be redirected to that layer style menu here. So amongst these blending options to the left, you may go with that one here, drop shadow. So select it or select the checkbox next to it. And that is going to apply the drop shadow effect. By left clicking on it, you will be given access to that customization. So here may, for example, as you can see, that shadow has been added. So you may, for example, customize your shadow effect by changing its angle, for instance, its opacity, the blend mode by clicking on that button here, like for example normal or multiply. Then you may, for instance, adjust its position here, the size. So let me, for example, move that slider slightly to the right, just like that, to increase the size. And that's basically it. Confirm by clicking on OK here, and as you can see, that shadow has been added to my image. And that's how you do it, guys. Confirm by clicking on OK there. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.